Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to intake moringa powder. To begin, understand that moringa powder is derived from the leaves of the Moringa oleifera tree, known for its exceptional nutritional profile. It's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, making it a powerful addition to your wellness routine. The key is consistent and correct consumption to unlock its full potential. We'll cover simple methods to integrate it seamlessly into your daily life, ensuring you get the most out of this incredible plant. The easiest way to consume moringa powder is by mixing it into liquids or soft foods. For a refreshing boost, add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your morning smoothie or fresh juice. It blends well, and its earthy flavor is often masked by other ingredients. You can also stir it into a bowl of yogurt, oatmeal, or even applesauce for a nutritious addition to your breakfast or snack. For a quick option, simply whisk it into a glass of water. When starting with moringa powder, it's best to begin with a small dose. A good starting point is 1/2 to 1 teaspoon per day. Observe how your body responds, then gradually increase your intake to 2 or 3 teaspoons daily, spread throughout the day if preferred. Many find it beneficial to take moringa in the morning or early afternoon, as its energizing properties might interfere with sleep if consumed too late. Consistency is more important than large doses. Regular intake of moringa powder can significantly contribute to your overall well-being. It's known to support sustained energy levels, boost your immune system, and provide a rich source of antioxidants. For optimal results, always combine moringa with a balanced diet and a healthy lifestyle. Remember, consistency is key to experiencing its full range of benefits. Also, for those looking to make healthy eating even easier, check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.